Going on, how y'all doing? Pick go out here and crank this truck up. You know, she always with me. She always gonna be somewhere around. No. What up? You gonna be somewhere around, ain't you? She gonna always be around. See if I can crank this old truck up of mine. I ain't cranked it up since the storm was here. See if I can crank it up now. See if I can get this thing started. Probably gotta put some more batteries on it, probably. My old baby, my old baby. Getting kind of hot. Nunu. Hook these batteries up right quick. See if my baby will crank. You think she gonna crank, Nunu? Uh-oh, see some heat coming out of it. See some heat coming out of it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Crank it. Uh-oh, doing it wrong. Put that down like that. Maybe I need to put that on top. Take that one off of that. Put it on top of it. Try it that way. Gotta get the truck back to moving again. Gotta get me back to moving again. Hope I don't leave with 2 batteries. In it, is it? Let's see what it do. Uh-oh. Dog. My bad, y'all. I ain't checked the oil yet. Got some heat though. D, I'll do that side over there. I'll hook that strap over there. Help push the hood up. Because they picked it up on the side. I got it. Look like everything attached. I had antifreeze doing it in the winter time. Detroit motor. So Detroit. Oh man, gotta have some oil. Ooh, that dog stink. Girl, you stink. Check that water. Check what water I got in there. Hello, baby girl. Oh yeah, full of antifreeze. Come over this way. Come over this way so I can see you. Battery too low. Well, battery too low. I gotta go charge my batteries up. Take them cable loose. Right there, little range right there. Go towards the truck. Go towards the other way. That way. Left it loose, right it tighter. Let me show you. You don't take all that. I ain't tight that tight. Take that off. Oh, I gotta get some more battery. There go another one of them drivers. One of the neighbors down the road. What? Sit him on that wood right there. Don't let that hit the, just use your hand now, cause you pull it off, use your hand, cause that thing get hot, touch the metal with it. Put on the wood, take the other off. Okay, that's all you gotta do. That's it. Yeah, go back up to the front, get some batteries.